Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update, we're going to go over Algorand. So right now we are trading at 30.47, 24-hour volume, we're down 22.78%. Market cap, we're up 1.55%. So heading over to the chart here, I've got it on our daily time frame, and I'm going to go into 4 hours as well. So what we can see is Algo actually accelerated really high here on the tipping point of August 14th, and then it was a huge crash coming down again, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum all across the board with different altcoins. But what we can see here for Algo is essentially that we're retraced at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band. Now, when this happened in the past here, that we can see on June 12th, June 13th itself, is price consolidated sideways and then it broke through the 20 MA. So it could be a repetition of this history happening once again here that we see with Algo. So as the price is here, we can see that we've held support roughly around the outskirts of our volume profile off to the side here, roughly around the 29 cents. Now, if we do break the 29 cents overall here, we are most likely going to retrace all the way down to the numbers here at 27 cents, or even catch ourselves from this dip here at 28.44. So that's on a long-term downwards trend. If we take a look at our MACD, we're hoping that this is going to be the end of this red downtrend marker. We can see already that these lines itself has accelerated. If we do see tomorrow another line the same amount of size as the previous one, or the one that we're currently at right now, then price is going to come back down, and hopefully again it catches at the 28 cents. Now, what we can see so far in the candlesticks itself is price came down. We didn't even reach 50% of the previous engulfing candle itself. So most likely Algo is going to be hitting a resistance line that we've already seen at the 30.90. If we take a look again at the volume indicator, the outskirts itself is roughly around 31.56. So we're going to switch over to the 4-hour time frame and take a look at the likelihood of us coming back and retesting this resistance line itself. So 4-hour time frame, you guys, we can see there are some higher wick candles that are trying to break through resistance. Here is our resistance at the very top here, roughly around the 31.54. Ever since that, we have been rejected down, simply put, around 31.28. Notice how the 20 MA here is retracing back, and we are going to retest it. So in the next couple of hours or so is going to be key, because number one, we see that our RSI, our K line, is at 81% and our D line is at 89. We've already seen the crossover happening at this candlestick itself, so we are considered to be overbought. Now take a look at the Bollinger Band reaction here. We do see a pinch in the Bollinger Band, basically letting us know that there is going to be a breakout, either an uptrend or a downtrend. And where we do see the RSI, most importantly, where we do see the MACD indicator as well, price is going to come down. I'm saying that because what we can see on our MACD indicator is that simply the orange line, our signal line, and our MACD line, which is the blue line, there's really not a lot of separation in between them. If we wanted to have more of a strength in the momentum of these green bars, we should be seeing the spaces in between really far apart. If you see the momentum as, breaking through certain support lines here, we notice that the lines separated even further, meaning again, higher momentum in this current trend. So if we are wanting for Algo to break through our 22 or 23% of our fib chart, essentially where we got rejected in this 4-hour interval, we need to be able to see the momentum grow on our MACD line, because essentially we could grow a little bit here in our RSI and then drop itself. But if we're taking a look at retracements, we're holding on at the 61% right now. We've had a few areas of support of the 61%, but if we do switch over on our MACD, where it is very crucial to be watching it right now, we are going to fall either at the 29 cents, 29.85, or the 29.38. If we look into the 3-hour time frame, we already see lighter in the colors. We see an expansion of this candlestick driving already at the 61.80. We see already the crossover that we see occurred back here before we even tried to break through the resistance. We closed above the 20 MA just slightly in this candlestick, but now we are engulfing the previous one. So all leads to algo coming down, but how far it may actually come down, again, is very alarming. We need to make sure we stay at least above the 29.38. If we do break through this marker, again, we are going to come even further down. So that is my video here for Algorand, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, but I'll see you next time.